Inaccurate master data in your ERP system is a nightmare. Manual processes and inaccurate data wreak havoc on everything, from production deadlines and procurement decisions to customer experience, severely impacting your business. But often, fixing even minor issues involves months of planning, tons of paperwork, and lots of programmers. Precisely changes all that. It lets people solve master data issues using skills and resources they already have. With Precisely, your ERP system can be accessed and modified with familiar tools like Microsoft Excel and SharePoint. It's simple, fast, and requires zero programming. Imagine this. A sales rep discovers an error in a customer record before he'd have to fill out paperwork and then wait as it passed through various departments, taking up valuable time and potentially picking up data errors. With Precisely, he simply completes a web form and forwards it for approval. The appropriate manager then reviews the change and approves it with a single click. The ERP system is automatically updated and everyone is notified. It's fast, accurate, and auditable. Best of all, anyone can build a web form in workflow. Plus, thanks to Precisely, any similar data challenges, such as product, material, and supply errors, can also be easily resolved using this approach. Learn more by checking out precisely.com/masterdata today. Precisely for Master Data is the quickest path to better automate SAP master data processes.